Namaste, welcome to Perseverance IAS. These are the important articles to be read in the Hindu newspaper on July 1st, 2021. Let us start with the first article itself. Drones flying toys banned in J&K district after attacks. You have to read this article from the perspective of why the government has taken this decision, particularly the administration of Jammu and Kashmir district. What is the reaction of the central government, and since it is in union territory, the central government, and you have to link it up with the entire security paradigm, and you have to also ask whether such administrative decisions like banning the entire thing is actually implementable or not. From that perspective also you have to think. That article would be helpful if you read it from that perspective. The next article that you have to read is SC pulls up government on ex gratia. Why SC has pulled it up, what is the ex gratia that they are talking about, and what are the principles under which the government or the Supreme Court wants the government of India to give ex gratia to COVID-19 patients. From that perspective you have to read this article. Elections no guarantee against tyranny, says CJI. So this is his opinion according to my understanding of the article. I think you just have to read it once, but nonetheless I don't see any point in keeping it in mind until and unless there rises a question in mains where they ask the difference of opinion in the executive branch and the judiciary branch of Indian establishments. Then you might quote certain statements from this article. Apart from that, I don't see pretty much of nuances in that article too. The next article that you have to read is Notice to Twitter over pornographic content. Again, as I said yesterday, you have to read the line behind the lines or in between the lines. What are the laws that govern pornographic content in India? Why specifically child sexual exploitation is rampant on Twitter? And what are the policies that protect children in India against such practices? From that perspective, you have to read it. Now, I don't see pretty much this article. This is not an article, this is an advertisement. This is how China does its work. Just think of if Indian government wants to take out an ad in Chinese newspaper. Do you think will they allow a full page newspaper gloating about our successes to the Chinese citizenry? From that perspective, I just thought it is so funny to see Indian newspapers carrying out full page ads for the Chinese. Nothing wrong in that, nobody is stopping that, but nonetheless an interesting thing to observe from. So moving on to the next important article is the editorials, where we have to differentiate between the important and the non-important. How the Chinese Communist Party endures. You read this article just to get an understanding of what is the developmental path that the Chinese Communist Party takes. Apart from that, you don't have anything to learn from this. Again, small doses is a critique of the stimulus package that was recently announced by the central government. You have to read it because you need to have two sides of the story, and this side would certainly help or augment your answer writing skills. The next article, and the important article, is an attempt to silence the film fraternity. The reason that you have to give a lot of importance to this article is the article is being written by somebody who is in the industry itself. So whatever the draft bill, the Cinematography Act draft bill that draft bill proposes to amend, will certainly have an impact on this person's field. So from that perspective, you get the understanding as to how they personally feel what the act is and what would be the impact on their industry itself. So from that perspective, you have to give an importance to this article. Now, as far as the op-ed is concerned, this is most important in terms of understanding and drawing parallels between 1991 liberation plan of India to the current Atmanirbhar plan of India. If you could draw that parallel between 1991 liberation to our current privatization and Atmanirbhar initiative, your answer will be the most beautiful answer in mains. But you have to be able to understand the nuances. Like for example, in liberalization we went for privatization too. You have to draw up a parallel with how government of India under the banner of Atmanirbhar initiative has opened up critical and strategic sectors like aviation, defense, manufacturing to foreign investments and private sector. You have to draw parallels in that regard. That's an example. You have to go deeper and try to get more parallels and compare both the liberalization of 1991 with the Atmanirbhar initiative of current government disposition. Now moving on to the next article, reimagining examinations is again important to get an understanding of what is the structural problem that Indian educational system suffers from in terms of examinations, and how it has been brought forward by the current pandemic when students aren't able to take exams because of the threat of COVID-19, and what should be the future way of gauging students' knowledge. That's an important article in op-ed today. So the next article in news, that is page number 8, is Center's Digital Agri Proposal Raises Concern. You have to read this article from 3 points of view. One, what is AgriStack, who is implementing it and why are they implementing it? Third, what are the concerns and what are the problems and what are the advantages? These are the 3 perspectives that you have to read this article from. Moving on to the next article, Google removed 59,350 posts in April. This article can be read 2 ways: how the request is made, why they were removed, is it a good thing, is it a bad thing, how do they report transparency under the new IT rules. So why do they come out with this transparency reports every year? So from that perspective, you have to read that article. Now again, it's up to NDMA to fix ex gratia amount. You have to link up this with the first article in regards to the Supreme Court and develop your answer. Now moving on to the next article, big tech firms should be held accountable. You have to read this article with the significance that the person whom it is coming from is our external affairs minister. His perspective means that this is the stand that Indian government took in regards to explaining other countries what India is doing with the new IT rules. So that is why it is significant. That is why you have to give attach certain importance to this article. Moving on to the next article, India flags Green Pass issue. 2 perspectives. What is Green Pass? Who is issuing it? Second, why have they denied Indian vaccines the Green Pass, irrespective of them having the same makeup, same formula and same manufacturing processes? It can be boiled down to own and sole issue is political. They want to have certain control in terms of negotiating within India in terms of free trade agreement and certain issues surrounding it. I suggest you give little importance to the background noise and background issues in this regard, and then come up with a conclusion as to why European Union is doing this to Indian vaccines. Remember, the Chinese vaccines have certain leeway compared to Indian vaccines, and we know the efficacy of Indian vaccines compared to the Chinese ones. Now, delimitation panel to visit Kashmir. Again, this is the whole process or this development that you have been following since the announcement of delimitation process in Kashmir. Please do understand that you have to give an importance to this delimitation process, because this is going to be a potential question. I'm not guaranteeing it, but it will be a potential question in either prelims or in mains, because this is a significant development that has been continuously in news for long periods of time, and it is significant because post 2019 the entire dynamics of Jammu and Kashmir and Union Territory of Ladakh have changed. So you have to read this article from that perspective. The next article that you have to read is EU may offer vaccines to Bhutan. This is just an informative article. Apart from that, nothing more. In page number 10, you read issue clear guidelines on death certificate. Again, an informative article to just get an anecdote or some sort of an understanding of what is going on. Now, the important article that you have to read in this section is Cabinet clears viability gap funds for BharatNet. You have to get 3 things from out of this article. What is viability gap funds? 2, BharatNet, what are its intricacies, and what is PPP modelship, and why PPP model is being used for BharatNet and not other models. So that is the importance of this article in page number page number 10. Moving on, let us go to the business aspect of it. So in business, you have to read May's lower spending pegs fiscal deficit at 8.2. Again, you read the article, you go for the background story so that you understand how these things are interlinked. Now current account deficit widens as imports revive. You have to again link up both of those concepts and how one impacts the other and vice versa. The next article that you have to concentrate is non-food bank credit growth eases to 5.9 RBI. Why RBI is measuring such such specific sectors or such specific parameters, and why is that important? From that perspective, you have to read that. Now moving on to the world, you have to read this interview to get an understanding of a perspective that is not Indian. Indian perspective is different than this outside perspective. To get a varied perspective of the Chinese issue and the Chinese Communist Party, you have to read this interview. The next article is US Houses passes resolution in support of India's COVID fight. You have to read this from one perspective alone, whether there are certain implications or stipulations that will translate into reality, or just it is a matter of fact for saying that we'll support, but nothing gets done. From that perspective, you have to read this. Apart from that, there is nothing significance there. But this article, Israel seeks to build wider ties across West Asia. Again, importance given the historical differences between Israel and other Middle Eastern countries, and you have to link it up with Indian relations with both Middle Eastern countries and Israel, and from that perspective you have to give a little bit of importance to this particular article. Now the final article is Russia's sanctions extended. This article should be read from the perspective of, do Russia sanctions imposed by EU to really have an impact on Russia or not? Because remember, European Union countries are still engaging with Russia in purchasing Russian oil. So from that perspective, you have to read this article. These are the important articles for the Hindu on 1st July 2021. Thank you. Stay safe. Namaste.